Today we'll be making this right here. Okay. First, what you need to do is take a whole bottle of glue and pour it into your bowl. This is the pretty glue. Pretty sparkly blue. What I like to do is put the lid back on, smack it, get it all to the bottom, and take the lid back off. Clearly you're not going to get every little piece of it, but get as much of it as you can. Okay, let's put the lid on it again and smack it one more time. This time let's okay. Alright. I think that's probably good. Alright, now we want to add a half a tablespoon of baking soda. A half a tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon, so I just want to do half of this, so throw that in there like that. And then you want to add contact solution. Oh wait, no wait, first we want to mix this up. Sorry about that. First we want to mix this up. See how we mix it? Just mix it up. Okay. Mix it up. Alright. Now we add our contact solution. It says 1/4 of a tablespoon, but I just really give it to it. Because the more you get, the stickier it gets. See, look, it's already starting. See? See, it's already starting to. But it's still too slimy. So throw some more of it in there. The more the contact solution, the more firmer it will get. The more you can easily place it in your hands. See, it still doesn't, it still looks like it would stick to your finger, see? So you want some more. And now I think I'm going to start using my hands so I can see. See, it's not supposed to stick to your fork like that. You're supposed to be able to pick it up. See how it sticks? That's not what you're looking for. So add some more. So I don't know where they're getting 1/4 of a tablespoon for when you need more than that. See, it's still too runny. So throw some more in there. And then you just wanna. We're done with that. See, it's still sticking to your fingers. You don't want it to stick to your fingers. You want it to be able to mold it and stuff. Let's add a couple bit more baking soda. Maybe that's our problem. Okay. solution. We'll get there. It's science. You see how it's still too runny? They need to say like a couple cups of contact solution, because that's what makes it easier to play with. Almost getting there. See, that's what I shouldn't have done, use my right hand. Now I can't squirt my contact solution in there without getting the bottle messy. Because he needs more. Oops, I just cleaned the bottle. No problem. Okay, I think we need a little bit more. Yeah, so when it says 1/4 of a tablespoon, no, of contact solution, you need way more than that. Because look, it's still sticky. I still don't have enough. It's not supposed to stick to your hands like this. We'll get it though, ain't nothing but a thing. See, we're almost getting somewhere. A little bit more. Sorry this is taking so long. We're on 7 minutes now, but just so you know, if you ever make it, you need lots of contact solution. 1/4 tablespoon, as you can see, does not do the trick. Now let's see if we can get it off our hands. We're getting somewhere. See, it's coming off easier now. Well, it looks like, to you, it probably doesn't look like it is, but I feel it coming off my hands easier, see? See? Okay, we're almost there. So whenever you make this at home and it says 1/4 tablespoon of contact solution, you're going to say, yes, thank. And you're just going to keep squirting it in until you get it right, because as you can see, I've done squirted it a million times. And it still takes a while to get it. You see how it sticks to your fingers like that? You just have to go real fast with it to get it off of there. See how it's still sticking? Let's rub it in our solution. It's in the bottom of our bowl here. And I think that'll do it. Now we're looking good. A little bit more. Alright. That, my friends, is how you make slime. Glitter slime recipe. Now we're going. Okay. Thank you for watching.